On the 12 days of Vlogmas, my true love gave to me 7 DIY kitchen remodel, the reveal. 6 DIY kitchen remodel, getting started. 5 live stream and memes. 4 book recaps. 3 writing things with a dog. 2 review reflect for 2023. And 1 finally editing. Hey, we're finally editing. Day 1, finally editing Vlogmas. Hey! It's Christmas time, On the 7th day of Vlogmas, my true love gave to me 7 kitchen remodels, the final reveal, the final reveal. I awake, hoping and praying that one day you gonna come around my door and say that baby. Welcome back to the 12 days of Vlogmas. Yesterday we left you at day 6 painting the cabinets on the kitchen remodel part 1, getting started. And we've gotten pretty much all the cabinets painted. And now I thought a trouble spot under the sink. So I, after painting this, decided I would go full on and kind of give it a little bit of organizations. I got some baskets from a yard sale. I repurposed those for like dividers. And I thought it came out pretty cute. You got me playing jingle bells. So as you can see, there's the dividers. I've got a couple additional separating baskets. I've got the cleaning products that we use daily up front, the dish towels, soap, dishwashing, and then I even decided to add these little hooks for my dish gloves and a dish towel that is in current use, and I affixed to the wall my draining basket. I thought it came out really cute. This granite countertop is super cute, but it is dated. Countertop over here, clearly old, and I think this is also going to be helpful too with sealing. Sorry about my mess here, but it's going to be good effort for me to clean all this out. See all that gross, I don't know if that's mold or what. Even here, the countertop, it's cracked here. Just bad sealing, just needs to be replaced. It's probably just because it's old, so it just deteriorated over time. Okay guys, I'm super excited. The marble epoxy countertop paint kit has arrived in Carrara white. This is what it came with in the box. There's actually multiples of a few of these things, which I am sure I'm going to use, but just for the sake of showing you what, and that they actually do give you what you need in the box when it arrives. Here is what it looks like. So I've already taped everything off, and we're gonna do the first phase. I've already cleaned the countertops, taped everything off, and we are going to start with the first of 3 steps. Let's get started. Step 1 of the marble epoxy countertop paint kit in Carrara white is drying. I would say this is the most fun part. It's called veining. The suggestion in the instructions is to practice on a sheet of paper before you do it. I have experience with paint in different mediums, so I sort of just went for it. I figured, I mean, how bad could you mess it up? You're basically drawing the line, using the spray bottle to do water, and then dabbing it outward so that you essentially blur the line so it looks more like a natural vein, like you would see in marble. I call this the art part. this is going on, the new stove arrives, and who knew there was this many parts to the stove that I was going to have to piece together. But it came together quickly, easily, and I now have a beautiful new stove to match my updated, beautiful new kitchen. And while the epoxy top coat was drying, I had some other projects I thought that I would tend to. I wanted to sort of reupholster these chairs so they had a more, I don't know, cohesive feel like the rest of the house. So burlap, white paint, of course, and a hot glue gun, and away I went. The third and final coat was the epoxy coat. That I did not film because you do not have much time to play with it and you have to constantly check it. But I mean, it's not even hardened in these shots and it looks gorgeous. I had enough to do one more countertop, and my hub's office has a sink in there, so I did that one too. Hardening time or cure time for the epoxy is 7 to 10 days, and I put these signs up just to make sure everyone else was aware of that as well. Okay, finally a well-deserved break and kind of play with Bruno a little bit, and I'm not sure he enjoyed this as much as I did.
Where's the microphone? Bruno. 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 Bruno, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? Come back here.
Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for, drum roll. I could not be happier with how this turned out. Unbelievable. Just love this. So happy. On the 7th day of Vlogmas, my true love gave to me 7, oh my gosh. 7 DIY kitchen reveal, remodel, kitchen. On the 7th day of Vlogmas, my true love gave to me 7 DIY kitchen remodel, reveal. It's not. I don't even think I'm in frame. No, throw it in the can. That's good enough.
Boy, it's just like Christmas time.